This is Don't Make Your Life Hard Teriyaki Honey Salmon Recipe. All right, I have 4 pieces of salmon. I get my salmon already cut in the pack. So it's about, let me say, a pound and a half of salmon right there. And then I'm just going to season it. You can season it however you like. I use um, seasoning salt, garlic powder, onion powder. You can use lemon pepper. You can use, different seasonings. You can use some red pepper, spice it up. And then this. It's already done for you. It's a teriyaki honey sauce. Make life easy. You don't have to buy all ingredients and spend all the money. The sauce cost me about $2 and some change. And then I put some minced garlic on there. And then I'm just going to let it marinate a little bit with the sauce. So I'm pouring about half of the bottle on there, letting it marinate for a while so that the flavor can seep in. But this saved me so much money. Just the bottle of soy sauce by itself is more than that. I baked it at 400 for about 10-15 minutes, and then I put a little more honey on it. And this is how it came out. It was full of flavor. It was great. Make your life easy and save some money on all those ingredients.